Hey everyone, if you've ever wanted to control OBS Studio without sitting at your computer, this tutorial is for you. Today I'll show you how to use OBS Blade on your Android phone, from installing the app to connecting it with OBS Studio and using its main features. So let's get started. First, install OBS Blade on your Android device from your preferred app store or another trusted source if it's available there. Once the installation finishes, open the app. You don't need to configure everything immediately because we'll connect it to OBS Studio in the next step. Now switch over to your computer and open OBS Studio. OBS Blade communicates through OBS WebSocket, so make sure the WebSocket server is enabled. In newer versions of OBS Studio, this feature is built in. Open the WebSocket settings, enable the server if needed, and note the server address, port, and password because you'll use those on your phone. Go back to OBS Blade on your Android device and create a new connection. Enter the same server address, port number, and password that you saw in OBS Studio. Also make sure both your phone and your computer are connected to the same local network. Then tap Connect and wait a few seconds for the connection to complete. Once connected, you can control many parts of OBS Studio directly from your phone. For example, you can switch scenes, start or stop streaming, control recording, adjust audio levels, toggle source visibility, monitor stream statistics, and even access Twitch chat if you've configured it. It's a convenient way to manage your stream without returning to your computer every time. And that's how to use OBS Blade on Android. Once the connection is set up, controlling OBS from your phone becomes quick and convenient. Yeah, if you ever change your network or WebSocket password, simply update the connection inside OBS Blade. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.